Hello everyone, welcome to the Market Analyst. My name is Sri, and on this channel, we focus on understanding the financial market with clarity, logic, and the discipline. So, if you are looking to learn how stock market actually works without any hype, without shortcuts, and without emotional trading, you are in the right place. The purpose of this channel is very simple. Here, we analyze the chart, study the price action, and understand the market behavior in structured and practical way. We do not chase any predictions. We focus on probability, risk management, and consistency. On the Market Analyst, you'll learn how to read stock charts with confidence. You'll learn how to identify the trend, key level, and high probability setup. You'll learn trading tips and strategies that are based on logic, data, and not just the emotions and guesses. You'll also learn how professional traders think about risk because the protecting the capital is more important than just chasing the profit. Let me be very clear from the beginning. This channel does not promote guaranteed profit, get rich quick schemes, or any paid tips. Trading is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time, discipline, and continuous training. Losses are also the part of the process. What matters is how you manage the risk and stay consistent over time. This channel is for you if you are new to trading and feel confused by the charts, feel overwhelmed sometimes, and struggle with the consistency and confidence. So, if you want to think like a market analyst instead of a gambler, this channel is perfect for you. Going forward, I'll be posting regular videos on chart analysis, individual stock breakdowns, trading educations, and important market insights. Everything will be explained step by step in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So, if you feel like that is what you are exactly requiring, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So, just a quick disclaimer on this one. All the content on this channel will be for educational purpose only. And I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here will be should be considered as a financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk responsibly. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe to the Market Analyst. Like this video to support the channel and comment below to let me know what topic you want me to come first so that we can learn together, grow together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you into the next analysis video. Thank you.